All right, we are out here today on a maintenance call. We're gonna be cleaning the indoor cabinet here. Gonna get it all sprayed down. We will be pulling the blower motor out using clean air liquid spray. I use this on all my jobs. People love it. I try to get the unscented sometimes, but they were out of it at the supply house. So we're just gonna give this thing a nice cleaning up here. Clean the outdoor of the fan motor. Whoever installed this system back in the day should have taken this horizontal drain pan out of here. But I guess they chose not to, so you could wipe the whole interior of the cabinet down. This coil actually looks in good shape. Blower wheel looks a little dirty, so we're going to pull that and give her a clean.
We're gonna tape that down so that looks good. That looks horrible. That must have been a DIY. Got cobwebs everywhere. Homeowners like to store light bulbs. I always try to keep everything around the unit. This is not a storage area.
One thing I always do too when I open up the coil door, I always use Viper pin and drain treatment. I dump this in first, I flush it with water, and then I suck the whole thing out with shop vac. And then I go back and fill the pan up with water to make sure it's flowing properly. It does look like the sludge is going out of the drain. Look at that stuff. This stuff just eats all this junk up, kills anything in the drain line, keeps it clear. That's what I use on everything. Always flush the drain with hot water after. I'm gonna go outside and turn the shop vac on.
This stuff is pouring out of here. Shop vac is running.
On this job, homeowner actually has a trap and a vent behind the unit, which is very odd, and then you can't even get to it. So we're gonna suck the pan out from inside.